Hey everybody, today I've got a 2012 Dodge Journey and I'm going to show you how to change the rear wiper blade. It takes a special wiper blade. Here's the new blade. See how it's got the one post in the center there and it slopes down. So I know you all probably been going like this, probably fighting. The blade will not come off that way. I will show you how to do the blade. First step is you grab this piece of plastic here and you tilt that back. Once you get that tilted back, this arm will come out farther. Then the blade will just pop right off. You take your new blade and insert it. It'll pop right back on. You put it back down, you clamp it, and it's done. All right, everybody, that's how you put a wiper on a Dodge Journey. A lot of the other cars are the same way. I'm also going to clean the dirty dust underneath that. Dodge Journey, other models are the same way. You have to get this thing flipped up far enough to release it. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. Please give me a thumbs down if you don't like the videos. Please like and share. Thank you.